Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, my name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today I have a very special Louis Vuitton unboxing. It is my very first Monogram piece, so let's get into it. So I ordered this online with the help of my client advisor. We were playing around with the Monogram interface, deciding on what kind of patterns we wanted, what kind of colors we wanted to use. Did we want to stripe it down the center? Do we want it diagonal? What initials did we want to put on there? What colors of those initials? It was a whole process, but it was absolutely so much fun. On the Louis Vuitton website, it does say that it will take about 3 to 4 weeks for your order to arrive. However, mine came in about 2 weeks' time. It was super quick. One thing to note about Monogram pieces is that they are fully non-refundable. So the minute that you place your order, they will for sure make it. And if you unfortunately are not happy with the way that it turns out, it is not returnable. You have to keep the piece. So bear that in mind. I have been trying to place a Monogram order for the longest time, but I just couldn't commit to a style, a color, an initial. I just don't know what it was. It was just taking me a long time to commit to it just because these are pretty hefty price tags. So for a Monogram piece, it is a little bit more pricier than a traditional piece because it is about $150 more. They are sending it out to an artisan to apply the paint and get your piece the way that you designed it. So that's why it is a little bit more of a premium compared to if you were to just purchase a regular item without the monogramming. So do keep that in mind. I do think that with the Louis Vuitton collection, having at least one Monogram item was essential in my collection. And the item that I picked is definitely very perfect. So I'm sure by seeing the box, you're already going to know what it is. I did get a Monogram SLG piece. So let's go ahead and open it up. And the SLG that I got was, I think this gives it away. I got the Louis Vuitton Pocket Organizer in Monogram Eclipse in my initials with this stripe. I'm absolutely in love with this pocket organizer. So it is exactly the same as your traditional pocket organizer. So it does have the back pocket as well as it does feature 3 card slots at the top here, 1 slip pocket here, a couple over here, and then 1 in the back as well. Absolutely love this. I'll go ahead and show you up close. So I opted to get my initials JK in red and white and then put this stripe across it. And for those wondering, it does go all the way inside. So it doesn't stop right at the pocket. They filled it all the way in completely, which I thought was really nice. And the reason why I went with red and white is because I just absolutely love the color scheme, red, white, and gray. I just think that color combination looks really well together. Here's what it looks like unfolded. Unfortunately, they didn't have customization options for the interior. I know the old Monogram allowed for that, which I thought was a missed opportunity for this one, but that is perfectly fine. I absolutely am obsessed with this. I think this was about time that I got a Monogram pocket organizer with the amount that I have. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and share this with you all. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like this kind of content or want to see more of me, definitely hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow and does motivate me to make more videos. So again, if you like this kind of content or want to see more of me, hit that like and subscribe button. And until then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.